Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today we're going to take a peek at what IKEA has for summer 2021. We're back, and I remember my water bottle this time. Instead of me being exhausted and dehydrated, it's going to be better. I'm getting some more. Oh no, I forgot my IKEA bag. Ugh. But I'm bringing this cute changing table basket. I'm trying to find a simple dresser that I'm going to add legs to and poles and paint to make it look mid-century modern for this nursing room that I'm working on. Let's go see what we can find. Open again, and look at these cute little ideas. That's so 4th of July and summery looking. Super sweet. We're really here to show off some summer inspiration. So it's been a while since I've been in, so let's see what we got. Okay, look at this cute little room. I feel like they're showing how to transition maybe a family room into a school room, and they've got a divider over there, little rolling carts, artwork displayed really cute and contained, you know. And then storage for children's toys and books, and just a sweet little space. Even these coffee tables double as storage space for pillows, blankets. These are super popular. They're called belly baskets. I have seen them on Amazon for $25. Like the exact same basket is $10 at IKEA. I really love this little side table, only $60, and the little gold dipped feet. I need one for the nursing room, and I really want round because I've got a lot of rectangles and straight lines going on. I may get this for the nursing room. So, well, first of all, I've never seen caning that large, but again, everything is going caned, which is this beautiful woven texture, and I love it. Can't get enough of it. I really like this accent wall in here where looks like they took textured wallpaper. I can see strips, kind of almost like a reeded wallpaper, and that is giving just a tiny bit of contrast with these other walls. And then it kind of is mimicking this patchwork design in the rug. Good call. And then lastly, I want to talk about these drapes in here. And then get up close. These drapes are velvet with this great ribbing on them. They're beautiful. I've not seen them before in this kind of coppery color. I highly recommend these. They catch the light really nicely. They're heavy, they're beautiful. They're 98 inches. They're brown color, that's the name of them, but they're very coppery looking. Love it. This is cute with their little topiary roses behind. Cute for a balcony or something. I was really drawn to this bench that has the huge caning weave. Beautiful. It's actually not a bench, it's two chairs together. Two corner chairs. That's cute. That's a cutie pie. I love these Fabricor pieces. They're like, they make me think of like old cabinets that would been in a doctor's office or something. But I like the idea of using them like a little greenhouse. And this I don't think is that cute of a display, but it kind of gives you an idea of what I'm thinking. Super cute for summer. If you like a more traditional look, this is really beautiful, high-end. Little design tip, the way they've done this tiny subway tile is called stacked. And if you want a modern, like a mid-century modern or, you know, regular modern decoration look in your kitchen, you want to stack your brick like that, stack your tile like that. I still want this faucet. I've been talking about it for a long time, but look at that. It's like so not IKEA. You wouldn't even know, right? Like it's $100 if you're in the market for a faucet. I've got one for you that's very vintage. Look at the sucker for teardrop poles. They have these poles. They actually feel like plastic though. Are these plastic? I don't know. I'm really interested in the teeny tiny knobs. They have them in black and silver or chrome and that brass. Okay, I've not seen this before, but I'm really intrigued because I'm getting ready to do my cabinets. But check out these awesome under cabinet lights. They're super flat. And you put them inside cabinets, you can put them underneath cabinets. Oh, look at that one with the whole plates under your cabinet. Flat squares. If you're looking for some leather poles, I just found these little leather tabs. That's popular right now. So cute. Okay, this is not normally what I see in IKEA, but this is like their take on a holistic wellness clinic. Like there's a like little area where they're selling their products and the consultation area. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the imagination and sweetness in this space. Look how masculine that looks with just the walnut paneling inside there with that simple dresser, black lights, glass, the plant. That look there. Okay, I just have to show you this cute wall in this little kid space. I love the ombre shiplap going on. It has a real beach feel and a cottage feel. This boat picture like helps it not become too. I love kid spaces, but I like a lot of real touches to them, some elegance to keep it from becoming too cartoony. I love that they put that boat picture in here. Okay, I think these little rubber gloves are really cute. I'm gonna get like 5 of them. They're $1 a piece. I think I'm gonna get 5 of them to do for maybe like Christmas gifts with a Mrs. Meyer's soap or something. Okay, I thought these were super cute. I love the color, I love the shape. Little tins. I want to put cookies in them. These are coffee tins, coffee and tea. I don't know, it's kind of fun. They have this one in black and white, but I like that this kind of red and white feels, I like red in the summer. Actually be cute at Christmas too if you like that. But doesn't look like IKEA, you know, it's got a lot of character to this piece. Cute little flat area, or cute little throw rug. Like I would put this in front of a sink or something. Okay, for lighting, I picked this in the last video. This is a little table lamp. This is how big it is. So sweet. It has birds on it. I still love it. Just gonna say it again, and then it comes in a pendant. How cute for it. It's like lacy. It would be really cute in a nursery. And then speaking of nurseries, check this little sweet thing out. Okay, we got mid-century modern with those beautiful drapes I showed you. Oh, they do look more brown in this setting. So I love the black and the brown and the pepper green and the black and white picture. Really masculine. Looks good. I love how plastic this looks. You would never guess that it is from IKEA. Looks great in a den, looks great in kids space. Yeah, the top mirror is the one I use in my daughter's boho bedroom makeover. And then of course it comes a lot larger. I really like this little oval one with the woven frame. That was kind of unique. Over here are some cute little tabletop mirrors. Especially love this one here on the end. It looks like an antique. Has kind of a rustic touch to it. Has storage on the back. Okay, I thought these were super sweet. It has a little like handkerchief feel to it. They're $2. I thought they might be cute for weddings. And there's another style too. I can show you the other look. It's more lacy than that. Little birds and branches. Yeah. It's sweet for bridal showers, baby showers, wedding receptions. I always love their artificial plants and flowers. These are sort of, I wouldn't say these are ranunculus. They're kind of like little peonies. Yeah, little what, creamy peonies. So $2 each. Yeah, they're peonies there. Love that green. Oh, and it comes in navy. They're both really pretty. Love the blue. Always drawn to navy for summer decorating. And then the green is review. As you can see, $12.99. Real is the size. Love the texture, the glazing. Okay, I have this table and these chairs. I've had them for 4 years or so, and they're still going strong. I love them. I love the price. They fold up. They do not look cheap. They do feel cheap. They move all over your space. You gotta get this set. Let me just show you this cheese lounge. I'm really impressed with how cute it is. I mean, it's not super substantial, but it's got a good look to it. I like, and I'm kind of price for it. You get several of them for that price. Along the pool side or something. Okay, so I'm in the as-is section. Always check that. And I've been eyeing these. This is probably the 4th time I've looked at these over the last couple years. But these striped curtains, I'm not going to use them as curtains. They're a little much. But I love this look for summer decorations. So I might make a bunting or something with them. It's just a lot of fabric for $15. All right, that was record time. We are done. Hope you guys got some fun summer inspiration. And we'll do it again. Next time I'll try to remember my bag. So if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. All right, take care. I'll talk to you soon.